Hello, today we're going to be picking a RUKO security cabinet lock. It's a 5-pin RUKO, it's a lovely little lock. I've picked it once, but it was like aimlessly picking, it wasn't concentrated pick. These could be used for 101 different applications, from a drug cabinet to maybe in a store where there's like electronic equipment. The list could go on and on and on. Anyway, there's your key bitting, so all the pins are high up. That is the famous RUKO-5-PIN, and then obviously you insert the key. It's a 5-pinner. You spin it round 360. Watch bolt retracts, and obviously you turn it back round and the bolt's locked. One of my bulbs has popped my front room, so it's a bit dim. So hopefully it comes out on the YouTube a bit better. Going to be using bottom of the keyway tension. That's what I used when it first popped open. Let's see if this works. I'm going to use medium tension. I'll start from the back. Alright, let's go. Feel the first pin first. 5, click. 4, nothing. So on 3, make sure that 3, nothing. Then on 2, click. And on 1, nothing on 1. So I'll slide all the way back again to the back till I feel that 5th pin, which is there. Pin 5 still solid. We'll try 4. That's a click of 4. Then 3, a click. 2, a click. Try 1 again, a click. So let's try 2 again. Nothing on 2. We'll go back to number 5 again. Click on 5. 4, nothing on 4. Come forward a bit, try another pin. Number 3. Go back on 2 yet again. We'll try 1. And that's open. It's picked. Now we'll go open. We've got to open it. The thing is, we've got to open it all the way around. So look, it's stuck there because all the pins are there. So I'm going to have to work out how to get it back round. Oh, this is not an opener. And there we go. It's open. Picked. Now we get it out. Let's just get rid of the vice. And I'll just put this down a minute. Just sort my camera out a bit. Zoom that back right out. And there you go. Nice security cabinet lock. Picked. See the pins on the bottom, 5-pinner. Now let's get this stripped. We'll get this stripped. I'll just leave that there because it looks alright there. Let's see what makes this little thing tick. Just put them there. I'm going to keep this flat because I don't want to just there's the mechanism there that turns the insides of it. I'm not going to pull that apart because I haven't got much luck with things like that, but there's your little mechanism inside. Right, I'll put that over there for now because that is not the bit we want to see. As you can see there, look, there's a screw in the back. So, see it there? So we could either take them 2 screws out or just take that little screw out, and hopefully hope for the best when we got it. Just need a tool that's going to fit. And hopefully I've got one. Please fit. Perfecto. Perfecto, that's what you want. Okay, there, and that should come out now, I believe. Hopefully. Use the key, turn it about there, and you pray this works. Right. Yes. Yes. I love when it works. There you go. There's a what? Them are tapered key pins, them. Let's have a look. Tapered. They're all tapered. All tapered key pins. 2. Come on, number 4. Number 5 doesn't want to come out. Oops. Butterfingers. Let's check the core as usual, standards, and it's threaded. As you can see the thread. Focus. Focus, focus. See the threading in it? All chambers threaded. Yep, that's coming out in the camera, right? And there you go. And let's stick that there, and it's the more difficult part. I'll turn that off, sorry. Right, tweezers. Let's start from the front there. Right, let's see what these are. Probably just the standard asset. You join this. I've got it. Glad about that, like. I'm going to do it the easiest way. 1, 2, 3, 5. There we go. Get the springs out. Might as well. Proper RUKO springs. Show you inside the car. See if there's anything in the car different. Nah, as you can see, look, nothing in the car. I will put that there. Right, I've got that there. All different size acid barrels. Come here. Them are proper RUKO springs. So medium, the tension I was using. The first time I picked it, it was just light tension. It just flopped open. But here we go. Before the rabble come down, because all the kids are all upstairs playing on the game stations and all that kind of stuff, and no doubt they'll come down because they never leave us alone. That's kids for you, isn't it? Right, here we go. I'll zoom down a tad. Yeah. Right, that's it. As you can see, focus, focus, focus. As you can see, if it focuses, can you see the tapered tops? All the key pins are tapered, and at the top we have all the way to number 3 the same size acid barrels. Number 4 is just a little acid barrel, and number 5 is the same as the other acid barrels. So there you go, a RUKO security cabinet lock, picked and gutted. And thanks to Pete, Pete the shed picker. Thanks Pete for the lock. It was second time picked and enjoyed that, and it's a very nice lock. Thanks very much Pete, cheers. And thanks to my viewers for watching. Bye.